All right, we're back on this 2003 Toyota Camry. The engine, we're gonna try to put it all together today. I just have gotta put the exhaust. The engine's already there. Intake tubes, intake box, battery, all that stuff. Connect the exhaust, the AC compressor and belts. Everything else is already in there. This is already this car's been here already parked for about a week. But we're gonna finish it today, so let me go ahead and put you on time lapse and get this done. We gotta get this car down. We gotta get it out today. All right. All right, here we have the Camry all put all together, all the engine, everything. Don't forget to put the bolts on the flywheel or flex plate. The transmission's automatic. So here it is, the box. I have water right there just for now. All this, we're gonna do a first start. I already primed the oil pump. This one right here is your fuel pump relay. You gotta take that off, prime it at least 3 times. Crank it, turn it off, crank it, turn it off, crank it, turn it off. You don't want to turn on the engine with no oil in the fuel pump. That's the way to do it. So we'll go ahead and start it. Cross our fingers if it starts. So here it is. We'll let it idle, get it at the temperature, see if it throws any codes. But that's just running, so it's good. Get all the air out. Alright, so thank you for watching, and we'll go from there. Thank you. There you go, we're driving the Camry. No lights, really good. Now after I put it on, it did have a misfire, but it was a bad coil, so I went ahead and replaced that. Here we are. Responsive. Well, that's it. It was just an update. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments, complaints, ideas, advice. Thank you.